Good morning, guys. Welcome to the rebooted 2020 season. It's finally here. Don't think any of us thought we'd be back out on rides today, but here we are. I've just arrived at Ocean Beach. The weather's looking as though it's brightening up, so fingers crossed. Can't wait to get inside this park. I'm just about to head in and do the Facebook Live. So if you've not caught that, that should be up on the Facebook page by now. Just wanted to say thank you very much to everyone that subscribed in the last month to the YouTube channel. We've had another just under 100 subscribers in 4 weeks, which is amazing. Hope you're liking the content. I hope you are. I enjoy making it. So yeah, and the Facebook page as well, that's grown by another 400 likes in the same amount of time. So thank you very much for all your support. Plenty of content to come. This is the first day of the rebooted 2020 season. Like I say, I'm just about to head into the park now, doing a full vlog which will be online in the next few days or so, but the vlogs are back. See you later, guys. Another vlog on Rides UK. Happy 4th of July. Obviously 4th of July is the date that the parks and fairs have been given the go ahead to reopen. There's a lot of work been going on across the UK at parks and fun fairs as the showmen in the parks put in place all of the guidelines that the government have enforced to make places safe for them to reopen again. But we're here at Ocean Beach in South Shields. Thanks very much for the parks owners and management allowing us to film. We're here obviously for the Huss Breakdance, the amazing Huss Breakdance that is the first travelling breakdance in the UK for many, many years. Obviously we're going to take you on all the rides, show you about the fun car system that they've got here. So we've got a copy of the fun car system here, so we'll be going through how to use that and also talking about the offers that they've got throughout the season for use of the fun car system in groups. So you'll see from when you arrive at the park, so you'll see the fun car top-up machines here. So you can use cash and card on those, and they'll have a cashier in the box as well to help you out if you get stuck or anything like that. And then once you've topped up your contactless card, you'll be able to go on the rides, tap at the entrance, which I'll show you a copy of now actually. So the amazing spring break here, gorgeous looking freak out. Bit of KMG goodness there. Great to see all the lights back on. If you joined the Facebook Live this morning, thanks very much for that. Obviously we've got some footage of the rides testing, and we'll be getting plenty more footage as the day goes on. We'll be on all of the rides today. Hopefully the sun is going to stick with us. So we weren't too sure about the weather today, but the weather is looking a lot better than it was this morning. You can see the rides start to spring into life. The park's just opened, and I'll just show you, I saw it a couple of weeks ago when I was last here. I'll just show you the gorgeous Zamperla wave swinger. Absolutely stunning ride. So I hope you can hear me over the music. So we've got crash test here as well. Got the caterpillar, log flume as well. Let me try and pronounce this. Timber Forsen. I think I'm right in saying that. Timber Forsen. But this wave swinger, the lighting package on it is stunning. Hopefully we'll get some night rides this season at Ocean Beach. Park hours are looking 11 till 6. With the extension, if it does get busy throughout the season, they will open later. But that's a gorgeous looking ride, that. And the sun's even peeking out as well. So we're on the first ride of 2020. It is the classic grass cutter twist. First ride for a long time, so we'll see how this goes. I've taken the motion sickness tablets, taking no chances today. Classic grass cutter. I think I'm right in saying it's an Eli Bridge model, but yeah, a lot of these great looking twisters. We've got one at New Brighton at Adventureland, but they don't look it, but these things can shift. They can certainly shift. They've certainly got some pull to them. Whoa, feel it already. Whoa, there she goes. Oh, I don't remember it being this fast. I think I'm out of practice. Wow. Awesome. This is faster than some PWSs I've been on. This is absolutely incredible. Oh, not that many on, so it could be the lighter weight giving it more power. It's a quiet start to the day here at Ocean Beach. It's still early, it's still very early. The park's just basically opened for the day. So hopefully it'll get busier throughout the day. The rain is keeping off, sort of. But yeah, what a ride this twist is. First ride down, and that was your grass cutter twist. Not game over yet. Not just yet. Social distancing on the rise, like where I'm sat now. They're leaving rows on the frog hopper when there's more people on the cycle. So it's good to see. Like I said, the effort that this park has gone to is very impressive. Very, very impressive indeed. So yeah, frog hopper time. Here we go on the frog hopper. Oh, I forgot how fast these were. Whoa! open till 6. Right about 4 o'clock now. Wait! About 4 o'clock now. So a couple of hours left of riding. And now what have we done? Good to see them, the lights back. So good. Bouncy. Tell you what, there's some good hydraulics on this. One of the most forceful ones I've been on. Cracking machine. Nice shit going there, and any second now, here it comes. This is the bit I'm not too keen on. Here we go. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. Long cycle on it. Yeah, good cycles all round here today. Woo, I'm so out of practice. So out of practice. Great ride though. Great ride. Oh, and we're not done yet. There's still more to go. Amazing cycling. Give a shout out to all the staff today. The staff has been amazing. Yeah, the staff has been absolutely first class. Can't fault you guys. Really great day. Really great day. So I'm on it, here we go, on the Zamperla Wave Swinger. Looks gorgeous off-ride. Weather's taken a bit of a turn for the worse here in South Shields. Oh. Here we go. Oh, nice bit of force to it. Whoa, quite a bit of force to it. we're twisting round a bit. I've not had this before. It's a twisty one. A few rides in now, and I'm starting to feel it, guys. Street cycle on the wave swinger. Perfect. Woo. Time for another coffee, I think. running better than ever. Absolutely running better than ever. We're not going again. No, surely we're not going to go forward. Are we? Are we going again? Good long cycle on this so far. the times I've been on it, that was stunning. And now, backwards.
Please exit to the left. Follow the arrows. One way round.
Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm up for a coffee. So you've got the directional arrows on the right. All going out there. Making sure we're social distance. One way round. So we're on first coaster of the day, crash test. So I do love the theme of this ride. I think it's so unique. It's a good looking ride as well. Like I say, some of you might recognise it from Pleasureland in Southport, where I think it spent the season last year. Nice views down the prom here at South Shields. It is a lovely place, South Shields. Beautiful place. If you've not been, get yourselves here. Down the first one. Way! Oh, pigeon! Random pigeon. 2020 season. Way! I forgot about that. Oh! Wow! Whoa! Oh! Funny up. Oh, there we go. Woo! And that was crash test. Well, we couldn't come on rebooting the 2020 season without a log flume. I know the sun's not quite shining today, but we can't miss out on the log flume. Cracking little log flume this. From, I'm assuming it's a travelling model, but it's 2 lift hills, and they put some theming in it. It's great. I'm trying to not get a soak in. I'm hoping it's not a soaker. But you never can tell on these things, can you? Steep left hill. Oh, we're going. Well, that second drop looks a bit steep. What's going on with that? Oh! Hey! Mild soaking, mild soaking. Second one to go. Yeah, my feet are drenched now. Feet are drenched. I've got a feeling this is a little bit of a hidden soaker. I wasn't expecting it to be, but it is. It's going to be. You can see it. Really steep left hills. So we're literally just on the promenade. That's where the park's situated. As we go over the top. Oh dear. Oh wow! What's going on? Where did that come from? Looks can be deceiving, guys. They can be very, very deceiving. I'm soaked. My feet. Look at the feet. Wow. Proper soaker, that. Absolute soaker. It's a great ride though. Great ride. Really good to be back on it. Great ride though. Really classic. Cracking log flume. Utter soaker. And it is Timmer Forson. whenever, guys. If I put it off any longer, I won't get on it. I know I won't. But on the breakdance, day's coming to a close here at Ocean Beach, South Shields. I mean, this thing is absolutely stunning. Just look at it. Lighting package, and it's not even finished yet. It's got the centerpiece to go in. Ice jet looking amazing, cracking cycles on ice jet today as well. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed the vlog. A bit more to come still. This should be interesting, and I'll catch you when we get going. Here we go, guys. I do not know what to expect on this. Only ever done a Huss magic before. I don't even know what sensation I'm going to feel during this. But we're all about to find out.
Hold on to your pants.
One thing's for sure though, it's an absolutely stunning machine. There's no question about that. It's a stunning piece of machinery. Quality Huss motors. But yeah, time to break down. And we're free spinning. Keep it at this speed. Oh, here we go. We're back into spinning mode. Whoa, there we go. Wow! Wow! Woo! Woohoo! Wow! We're back into it. What about those motors, guys? Wow! Just stunning machine! Absolute stunner! Whoa! Woo! feeling we're not done yet, guys.
Push safety bars up and exit by the exit
Now
side
that
only.
was
Thank you for riding with us
absolutely
today.
stunning. Stunning machine. Plenty of us goodness. Just wow. Wow. So we're coming to the end of our day here at Ocean Beach. It's nearly 6 o'clock, park closing time. It's just been an awesome day. It really has been an awesome day. It's been great to catch up with some fellow vloggers as well. We've sort of had a bit of a vlogger takeover here today. The rain has kept off for the last few hours, which is fantastic, because we were a bit unsure this morning whether it would or not. But the rides here, crash test, the log flume, the twister, obviously UK's #1 motorhome behind me, the pirate ship, the breakdance, obviously, is that's just such a unique addition to the circuit this year. I hope that travels to some of the big events that we have in the UK, similar to the way that IceJet does. But I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. I'll wrap it up in a second. I'll give you a few more closing shots of the park as they start to wind down after the first day. Very successful day, I think, in terms of how the operations have been. Operations have been fantastic. Can't fault anyone at all. Chips are nice as well. Have some chips. And yeah, we'll wrap it up in a bit.